This Ryoshi vision, you gotta know. You may already know about Ryoshi vision, and when I look at the price, it's up 89.6%. No, I'm not telling you to buy it at this particular time. I'm just gonna show you why you should consider it and how to buy it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Ryoshi vision is something you need to know. And this token is inspired by the pure vision of the great Ryoshi. Now, how to get this token, and you may know about it. Before I dive into this, this is some of the things that goes involved in this. 1% of every transaction gets redistributed to everyone who's buried SHIB on Shibaswap. That's why it's good to get this on Shibaswap. And plus, it's the only place you can get this is on Shibaswap. Then 1% of every transaction gets burnt to the SHIB address forever. This is some powerful stuff here. And so I'm saying this, I'm glad they did this, and I'm late to the party by doing a video on this, but I wanted to dive more into this before I actually did a video on it. And Ryoshi, the founder of the Shiba universe, had a dream, and decentralized token run by the people, for the people. Like this channel is for the people. In honor of the great Ryoshi, we have taken his vision and made it powerful than ever. So, I just want to tell you a little bit about that before I go ahead and dive into this. Now, you can click on the link below on www.ryoshi.vision, and it will take you right to the Shibaswap. Be careful, because there's other Ryoshi tokens out there. Make sure that you get to the correct one. Now, what I would do is make sure you are connected with your wallet. So I'm going to connect to my Coinbase wallet, Ethereum, and Ryoshi. I got it right from the website to be safe. Now, I have the link in the description of Shibaswap and the Ryoshi website as well. Now, it's just simple. You can only get Ryoshi vision on Shibaswap. So if I'm going to get Ethereum, I got some Ethereum. I'm going to go ahead and just get some to just show you this example here. So we're going to get just a little bit of Ryoshi, just a little bit here to show you an example. And I'm going to break out my phone here to make sure you always have your mobile device. And so I'm going to swap it and just buy some Ryoshi just to kind of like get in the game a little bit. This is just for an example. I don't advise you to get it when it's going up like this, but I just want to show you how it's done on this actually process. So now I'm going to go to my Coinbase wallet. I'm going to confirm this transaction, put my code in, and that's it. So basically it's going to go in my Coinbase wallet, and that's it. Now right here, I'm going to be pending to see what happens. And that was pending transaction, was completely fine. I'll click on view on explore, success, green success. So now I have Ryoshi in my actual portfolio, and I will show you on my phone when it goes in here. It has not been added to my Coinbase wallet as in right now, but I'll show you that in a moment. But going back to this real quick, 1% of every transaction gets to everyone who's buried SHIB on Shibaswap. This is something you need to go ahead and know. Now, one thing I will tell you about this is that you only can get this on Shibaswap. So just be careful. And also, look for this out here. So look for Ryoshi vision. So it's Ryoshi vision. So look at that. Now I'm going to see if it shows up on my mobile device to show you what it looks like. And it hasn't been added on here yet, but it will. And when it does, I will definitely show it to you. So it's probably in the process of getting added to my actually wallet. So it's so exciting. I'm so excited. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you go here. I will show you another video when this gets showed up here. It's not on here yet. It could be a little bit of a delay, but yes, we do have it in here, and I'm excited about it. Let me go check my buried stuff. Make sure everything is buried. Make sure all your stuff is buried for this weekend, of course, because, you know, apparently there should be some rewards this weekend. So we'll see what happens there. And I hope everyone gets their rewards for burying their bone. I hope you get your reward for burying your bone as well. Now, one more thing before I let you go here. You can actually use Ryoshi to pair it with an actually asset here. Maybe I got that notification. Let me check. Yes, I got it now. So this is it. That's what it looks like. Ryoshi Vision is on my phone. It looks like we got 114 million Ryoshi tokens. So we got a small bag of Ryoshi, and I don't advise you to get it necessarily at this price, but I just wanted to show you how it's done. And so, not financial advice. Go ahead and take it slow. Like I said before, you can get this on Shibaswap, and you can also get this as a pairing as well. You can actually pair this together. And how you do this, you go to Bonefolio and you go to Dog Park, and if you type in Ryoshi Vision, there you see that token right there. Boom, you see that? And here's some of the pairing. There's a Ryoshi and Ethereum pairing. If I click on this, I see this. I see the liquidity, and I see the volume. And then if I say add liquidity, I can go ahead and do this and go ahead and set up my pairing right in Shibaswap if I decide to do that. So you can do this. So that's what it looks like when you're trying to pair your Ryoshi and your WAP Ethereum. Very simple and very easy. But start from the website if you just want to make sure. Start from the website that looks just like this, and you'll be just fine. Click on View Chart. It will go to the actual chart of Ryoshi, of the 𝐷EX.guru token, and it'll show you more information what it is. And now I went to CoinGecko as well. I used to go to CoinGecko a lot, but you can go to here as well. This is a little bit, maybe a little bit confusing if you're not a trader or if you're not used to these numbers. Listen, I went to CoinGecko. I went right here, and then I went to their website and I click on buy on Shibaswap. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, little Timmy's gonna get a brand new pair of shoes with my Ryoshi token. Just joking. I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait. I got a really good one coming out tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to click on the links below for the Ryoshi.vision website and the Shibaswap website as well to get access to this token whenever it's best for you. So not financial advice, because I see this price is smoking right now. Remember, it was 89%, now it's 94%. So be careful out there, and I'll see you on the next video.